Alright, so this is our exit task for today's lesson, and it's come straight from 2019 exam 2, and it's question 10. So it'll be really interesting to see how quickly I can do this question once I start it, because really we should be trying to do every multiple choice question in about a minute and a half. So that's pretty speedy. So let's start the timer now. Sand falls from a chute to form a pile in the shape of a right circular cone with semi-vertex angle 60 degrees. Sand is added to the pile at a rate of 1.5 meters cubed per minute. The rate at which the height, h meters, of the pile is increasing in meters per minute when the height of the pile is 0.5, correct to 2 decimal places, is. Right, let's highlight some key information here. We have a rate of 1.5 meters cubed per minute. So I can straight away say that dv dt equals 1.5 meters cubed per minute. It wants me to find the rate at which the height is increasing. So I need to find dh dt. Alright, so if I'm going to find dh dt and I know dv dt, then I need to multiply that by dh dv. So then I go, right, okay, what shape have I got? I have a shape that is a cone, and the volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. And if I use this semi-vertical angle, I can write that the radius let's go back a step. I'm trying to do too many things at once. I can say that tan of 60 degrees is equal to the radius divided by the height, and then so root 3 equals the radius on the height, and so r is equal to root 3h. Okay, substitute that into this equation, so I have everything in terms of h. I get v equals 1/3 pi times root 3h squared times h, which is 1/3 pi times 3h cubed. They go away, and I've got the volume equals pi h cubed. So the derivative, dv dh, equals 3 pi h squared, and the question tells me that I want to find this when the height is 0.5. So if I substitute in h as being 0.5, then I get a 3 on 4 pi for dv dh, and then that makes dh dv equal to 4 on 3 pi. Substitute that in, I get 1.5 times 4 on 3 pi, and then jump onto a calculator to actually do that calculation. 1.5 times 4 divided by 3 pi. Obviously doing this on my calculator off the screen right now. Control enter because all my answers are decimals, and I get the answer of C, 0.64. And that's the end of my question.